thought in this video, after a long time I didn't make a book review. In this video I'm kinda go through again for book review, and this time the book is called Basic Electronics by Malcolm Plan, which is the second edition. And this book is quite long time ago, which is around the 90s, 1996, which is the 1990s, which is the publication. Complete introduction to electronics and this course. So mainly this book is actually focused on the student type. This course practical component based approach. One thing I like about this book is because it contains a more like a project type, which is quite unique, which is I like about a book which is more to practical stuff. It contains divides like book A, book B, book C, book D, and book E. Book A is like kind of introduce electronics and stuff. Okay, we go to the content there, we can see much more. Okay, we can see this is the content for the, which is quite old. Start from the book A, which is it's kind of like introduction, and got some project modules also as well. For the practical part, you got some part in which is 1 to 11 is like theory. Then we got a book B. It started explaining what is the resistor, then what is the capacitor, which is caps, what is the inductor, which is quite neat for the beginner friendly types of book. Then we got a book C, which it tried to introduce to the diodes, transistor, or starting from book C, the alter more focus on like diodes, PN junction, and transistor stuff. Then we got book D, which is here, starting for the operational amplifier. Then we got book E, which is more to like digital circuit stuff. Let's say you can make a voltage booster, counter, thermometer, bipolar transistor, comparator, and strain meter. You can see this is what my favorite part is. You can lay up all the PCB. It creates its own, which it looks so good. This is the project when it done from the 1990s. This is quite nice and neat. You can see each one of them is very nice. Bipolar transistor, we got a comparator created like this. We got the, what is this? This is strain meter as well. Voltage booster, you can create this. Okay, starting like project module, voltage booster. I can give the circuit diagram as well for the voltage booster. Then each one thing is I don't like is it kind of like when it lists up the component and material, it kind of not so neat on here. Maybe the author can make some better in this, because I can read like electrical capacitor value 100 microfarad and 16 volt is working. So it's like it doesn't make like simplified. It's like one, if it like say component and materials, make it in one table, it should be some more better. But I think it's good. It's quite nice. Everything got, which is the experiment here. So you can read through this. This is what I like about this book, because it create like project module. Then you can create like this. Created how you can see, you can make a counter here as well. See at the front part mostly about this theory. See this is another project module, which is quite nice. Schmidt trigger, relay driver, bistable 555, monostable 555, radio receiver, infrared source sensor, and metal detector. This is quite neat. This is what I like about. There's a couple of theory at the front. In the front part, most of them is couple of theory. Then you can. This is like. I think this is A-stable mode. Yeah, this is A-stable mode 555 timer, and a couple of which is nice. So a couple of theory part, which is the basic, easy, friendly for beginner as well. So overall, this book is quite nice, and I much recommend it for the beginners. Let's say you're starting from the beginners part to the intermediate. What is my personal rating for this book is I will give it around 7 out of 10, which is quite okay. Project module, which is quite impressive. I like it. Project modules which is provided in the book. The theory is quite okay. It's not bad. and overall it's not so super good, I guess. But during the 90s time, I think it's quite information for back then. And yeah guys, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoy. Tell me what you think about these books. Let me know in the comment below. And see you guys. Thanks. Bye.